Before we start astral projection, we must overcome fear, as our astral body is invulnerable and can't be harmed in any way. We must have firm belief that astral projection is absolutely safe. Since astral projection requires to enter into a trance state, so it is essential to create comfortable conditions to cut short the external disturbances. Practicing at a comfortable temperature in a dark room or wearing a sleeping mask promotes unobstructed exercise. The room should not be too cold or too hot or too lightened. Darken the room so that we can't see light through our eyelids. Those who fear should not turn off all the lights. They can have a dim light. Noise is one of the major distracts, and reduction of such noises is compulsory for successful practice. Phones should be turned off and doors and windows be closed. Those who live at the place where they face a lot of traffic and other sounds, they can use standard earmuffs or earplugs. It is also preferable that no one is with the practitioner while he is practicing. It is recommended to notify other inmates of your house not to disturb you. Some projectors have reported that they speak in rapidly or nonsense during projection and have a rapid eye movements. This can make our loved one worrying about us. Pets should be kept out of the room and should be fed well before performance of astral projection. Before projecting, we must remove all jewelry or other items that might be touching our skin. Our body might move erratically during the projection that can cause us injury. Clothes can be removed or loose fitting clothes should be worn. We can cover ourselves to keep us slightly warmer than might generally be comfortable. Astral projection requires a lot of patience, determination and practice. To succeed in astral projection, everyday practice is recommended. We must obsess ourselves with the idea of astral projection for getting success, because intention is the key. Literature is the main vehicle for disseminating information and impact us deeply. We should read as much as we can about it and watch videos, movies and documentaries related to astral projection. Astral projection happens when the mind is able to achieve certain brainwave frequencies. External aid like binaural beats can also be used to reach such frequencies. Binaural beats are musical recordings which help the mind to reach the frequencies that make astral projection possible, quicker and easier. These binaural beats can be easily downloaded from internet. Astral projection may take a lot of time to occur, but it's worth waiting. For having a successful astral experience, it is essential to remain firmly determined. The intention and persistency are the keys to achieve success in astral projection. For successful astral projection, relaxation of mind and body is required. Only with a sound and silenced mind, astral projection can be achieved. Proper meditation can help in calming and relaxing our mind. Astral projection needs sound mind, but if we are too stressed with our worries and our life is not managed, then we cannot obtain relaxed feelings. So it is essential to manage our lives to get rid of unwanted tensions. You are required to increase your awareness level to successful. We have to be open and aware for new experiences. With the increased receptivity and awareness, we would quickly open the doors to exotic and new experiences. Talking with like-minded people and successful practitioners can reduce our doubts and fears about astral projection. We can jointly project or can take the help while projecting or can discuss personal experiences with other practitioners. Every individual is unique and have different mental constitution than others. He may be having his own different kind of problems. Those situations probably can't be found in any book. Many things cannot be understood described by others. The practitioners who want to achieve the excellent results must focus on individual thought and form opinion based on personal independent analysis, then finding every answer from books and other practitioners. This helps in advancing in astral projection. Practitioners should all analyze personal success and failures and should apply logical, even skeptical approach during research and practice. Pen down the experiences. Writing experiences may be great help of remembering and improving astral projection and experiences. One should pen down all the experiences as soon as he wakes up. An effective general should display a good number of indicators to help in statistical and comparative study to understand the patterns. It is recommended that every journal entry should include the date, time, detail, experience, the problem faces during projection or the mistakes committed, and a plan of action for the next projection should be also written. The right way to maintain a astral travel. The following sequences can be followed while writing an astral projection travel journal, like astral travel journal, like data, like experience number, date, time, detailed experience, mistakes and problems faced, plan of action for the next projection. Generate a sense of floating or sinking for you, but don't force exit. Then ask yourself how it feels to be out of the body. When we do not get results right away, we should not get too frustrated, stressed out, rather keep enjoying the astral journey. There is a lot to learn down the way. We should not set doubt in the astral projection because it is very real and everybody can do it. You can eat sugar-filled food or snack before projecting as it promotes more vivid projections. Like attracts like, so always practice in a good and positive mood. This will help in projecting to higher planes. We should avoid practicing for more than 45 minutes at a stretch, otherwise we will mentally be exhausted. All the symptoms and sensations of astral projection are good signs. We should stay calm and not get panic and get excited. Use of any kind of drugs or herbs to achieve a projection should be avoided. Lucid dreams can also be used as a gateway to astral projection. We must learn to focus during astral projection. Concentration is very important. Astral projection can help us in all the areas of life. It can be used for problem solving. Progressive relaxation can also be a very effective way to relax body and mind. After getting separation, we should move away from our body as soon as possible. The shorter the silver cord, the more the attraction for the physical body. Getting away from body prevents from snapping back into the body. We must always pen down our astral experiences. In case of suffering from astral blindness, you must ask for the eyes and move away from physical body. During astral travel, we should avoid invading the privacy of others. Intention and strong desires are key to astral travel. We can protect ourselves by visualizing us surrounded by a pure white bright light. We should remain positive and confident that we can astral travel, and during astral travel also we should remain positive and in a good mood. We must prepare to allow OBE or astral projection to happen. We should not panic when we feel the symptoms. We must learn to go with astral symptoms and allow them to continue until we get free from physical body. Beginners should experiment with different methods and themselves determine that which method suits them best. Lie down with body along a north-south axis and head pointed towards magnetic north. Use affirmations for lucid dreaming, projecting, not fearing, and for remembering the astral experiences. For example, affirmations like, I will have an outside body experience every day.